Now, as most of you have seen in one of my latest videos, me dusting off my old Saytech Cyborg Evo, how I used to play games with just it and a mouse. So, decided to take it for a run, and I looked in my Steam library and I found this MINERVA Metastasis. It's a mod for Half-Life. I think I downloaded it like 15, 16 or so years ago, at least, uh, maybe even longer. So I really don't remember exactly what's going on in this game. So I thought, well, let's do some flat screen filming. Let me take my old girl, my old hot rod out for a run, see if the old man still knows how to use it. So let's start this shit up, get this show on the road. 2 months of knowledge experience. So strapped to the underside of a stolen helicopter. Oh, I'm strapped to the bottom of this damn helicopter to infiltrate and observe the particular little island a few miles offshore. It is my ever-loving benefactors. What the frick? Run, Forrest, run! Son of a bitch! Wait a minute. Where did this dude fucking drop me off at anyway? What the hell's that say? Set up on the beach, turn right and run. That imbecile of a subverted combine pilot dropped you precisely where he thought he'd be safe. So much for our stealthy entrance. Well, son of a bitch, circle around the island and you may... Son of a bitch, you piece of shit. Really? Whoa! Alright. Well, that place is all fenced off. Oh shit. Yep, it's all fenced off. Can I get in here? No, wait. Okay, that's right. Son of a bitch! I'm trying to see if I can get in that damn door. Alright, I've seen some boxes over here. Come on. Get over here. No, 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 don't do that! Son of a bitch! Well, that was a big mistake. Fuck. Alright. Didn't get up to a good start. I didn't think so. Especially for a game I hadn't played in a while. Shit, whatever. Well, at least let's take some dudes out. Oh, shit. I can't see the damn targets from here. What's this motherfucker coming from over there? Got a couple shots on it. This motherfucker, I just saw him up here in that area. Well, maybe I can survive if I get that son of a bitch out of the bird's nest. Is that the reload button? Yeah, it is. Trying to figure out, remember what all these damn buttons do. Oh, that's my flashlight. Turn the flashlight off. You don't need the flashlight. What was this one? I don't remember. Shit. Motherfucker's still sneaking around. You know what? Let's just get the hell out of here. Oh, shit. Yeah, of course. The motherfucker can still see me. I'm in the wrong spot. Hang on a second. I need to change position here. Hang on a second. Shit. I can't see my damn target in the sun. Is there someone swimming around down there? What the fuck do I... Shit. Oh yeah, there is. Oh yeah, I don't want none of that. Son of a bitch. Motherfucker's got me all screwed up around here. What's going on? Oh, I just picked up their weapons that they dropped after I shot their ass. Alright, who else is? Who's next? Son of a bitch. I can't read that. I'm too busy trying not to get shot. I am your Athena. You are my best. Okay. Whoever you are. What's going on up here? Son of a bitch. I don't know if I like the looks of that. That light in the air. Reminds me of that movie Independence Day and shit. What's going on over here? Alright, we got a beacon. We got a 357 Magnum. Don't fall over the edge, you son of a bitch. Wait a minute, give me the 357. Don't fall off the edge of that shit. Now what do we got going on? This looks like a setup if I ever saw one. There's I wish I had my game and mouse. Just hit the bitch and run the fuck away. Alright. Uh-oh. This ain't good. Oh shit. Where's my zoom? Didn't I used to have a zoom? Shit. Was he a zoom on? Yep, that's what I thought. Landmines. These ain't your typical landmines. These motherfuckers, once they chase your ass down and follow you everywhere you go. I mean, even in the water and shit. It's like, the only way to get them away from you is to have a gravity gun, which I do not. I do not have a gravity gun. Alright, well, I'm not sure how the hell I'm supposed to get beyond this shit without a gravity gun. Maybe I gotta swim all the way around? Maybe I could do that. Well, hell. Well, anyway, this was just kind of an experiment. Wanted to play with my joystick and mouse again. Show you guys how I use the flat screen. I'm going to call this one here A. If this looks like something interesting you'd like me to finish, don't get too close to that bitch and don't shoot it. I'll be more interested in, you know, trying to figure out how to film it better. Because right now I can't get it full screen evidently. But, like I said, if you want me to finish this as a series, I'd love to do that. Because I don't remember hardly a damn thing about this game except these guys from Half-Life. And I know what happens as soon as you bug them. Yeah, they'll follow your ass to the end of the earth. Alright, so let me know what you think, you guys. The old man's calling it quits for now, because I'm off to do some other stupid shit, okay? Alright, have a good evening. Bye.